Welcome to my channel English Learnings BD. Paragraph gardening is a metaphorical concept that refers to the deliberate and thoughtful cultivation of written content within a paragraph. Much like a gardener tends to different plants with care and attention, a writer nurtures ideas, sentences, and transitions to create a flourishing and cohesive paragraph. Just as a gardener selects the right soil, plants, and arrangement for a beautiful garden, a writer carefully chooses words, structures sentences, and arranges ideas to convey meaning effectively. Pruning unnecessary words, cultivating clarity, and ensuring a seamless flow are akin to tending to a garden's growth and aesthetics. In paragraph gardening, each sentence serves as a unique plant, contributing to the overall beauty and purpose of the composition. Thoughtful cultivation of paragraphs ensures that ideas blossom, creating an engaging and harmonious reading experience for the audience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.